and welcome to our unboxing of the new iPhone XS. Although, of course, a lot of people are just going to call it the iPhone XS. This is a 256 gig version in the space gray. So let's get the packaging off and take a look inside. Fortunately, I've brought my trusty unboxing favorite bread knife. There's the usual design by Apple in California. Pop that out. And here is the actual handset. Peel off that famous plastic. Let's pop that on and let that do an initial boot while we have a look at what else is in the box. You've obviously got the usual Apple earpods, the wall charger, although of course unfortunately you'll need to buy a higher speed one if you're after it. We've got the regular USB to Lightning cable in the bottom here. And of course the one notable omission is usually on some of the older devices, this is where you would find the Lightning to 3.5mm adapter, but Apple has dropped that for these devices. You will be able to buy that separately, but it's no longer included in the box. Also in here, we have some of the paperwork, which of course includes the Apple stickers and a quick start guide in a couple of languages and the SIM removal tool. Let's take a look at the actual handset, shall we? There is the famous, and now I guess trend-setting notch that we've seen show up on just about every Android device in the wake of Apple introducing it. We've got the dual rear cameras over here. It's a little dark to see, I realize, but there are the dual cameras. Those, of course, have been updated along with some of the shooting modes. Around the bottom, we've got the speakers, and we've got the lightning jack. On the side over here, you've got the power and lock button, which turns things off and on, the volume rocker, and the good old physical switch to turn the sounds on and off. Anyway, we'll get busy setting this up, and you can look out for a full review on the site in days to come.